welcome back. On this video, we're going to be putting points and condenser in the old 65 Yamaha Trailmaster. On the last video, I zipped that thing up and down the road. It was running really crappy on the way back. So like I said, the points I kind of jerry-rigged to get going in the first place. So hope you guys enjoy the video.
Hey, back on the old Trailmaster. Check out this. Just got these points that came in old Futaba, new old stock, and a condenser also made in Japan. I'm not sure of the brand. So we're going to be installing a condenser and some points on this thing. So we're going to take the side cover off. So I'll put you guys on hyperlapse. All right, I got the side cover off. When I was impacting that off, I accidentally busted the edge of this case. So luckily I have a welder. I'll weld that up once I get back to the shop. But I'm going to clean all this up and then pull this off to get to the points. So I'm going to put you on another hyperlapse. All right, guys, there it is. Like I was telling you, there's not really any points left on these, so I'm gonna zip them up on hyperlapse and get the condenser out, and then I'll show you guys when I get it all off. So here's the old points. Pad is a little bit worn that rides on the cam. And then this top pad's pretty much gone. To get this bike to start, it had a huge gap like that, and I kind of just reefed it down with a screwdriver to see if the bike would even spark. You can see these new points have a pad on both ends, so I'm gonna get these installed on hyperlapse. So now I'm not gonna change this condenser because I don't have a soldering iron at my dad's house. I have to dig it out, so I'm just gonna put the points back on, and if I have an issue, I have that new condenser, I'll put that on, and like I said, I was soldered on it at my house or something. So I'm gonna hyperlapse you putting these points on. All right, now I'm just gonna adjust them just a bit. Kind of hard to see on camera. So I just loosened them, and now it's touching. That should be good.
One more thing, I'm not really sure exactly what year this bike is. From doing my research online, it looks like it's a 65. I do not have a title. I checked the VIN number, didn't really get me anywhere. So if any of you guys think you know what year it is, just make a little comment below. It'd really help out.
All right, let's give it a test run, see if we'll turn over and stuff. Sweet, it's running. I'm gonna get that cover back on it.
Those points really lit this bike up. This thing really zips a lot harder. I accidentally rode this thing without showing you guys, but you know, there's one thing left to do with this thing. This thing on a little bit of an adventure. I'm gonna throw this helmet on, maybe some sunglasses, and zip this thing all the way to the shop. It's about a 2-mile trip. Hopefully I'll make it. So definitely guys, come back again and see if I make it to the shop.